Hi, my name is Firas and today we're gonna finish step 2 of modeling this house. And today I'm going in this tutorial to model this small brown cube with this pergola, replacing this elements with the same pergola. And in this case, let's have a look on the 3D Max. We still need to model that object here, so I have to go to AutoCAD to complete this job. And here I will just build a new rectangles here, right block to replace them, similar steps that we had in the previous tutorial. And in Max I just load the same file, and here we go. And notice that I know that this object, this room actually, is the same detail of that. So just click here, then copy the Z value of it, and then select this object and paste, select this and paste. And the same thing for the exit road, select it, copy it from the modifier stack, and then select the SP line that you just imported and paste. So you don't need to bother yourself with too much detail here. Paste this material here, and again to AutoCAD, right block, select the ground here, the flow, the polyline that represent the flow, and then right block, and then right block again. Let's repeat these steps, and if you cannot see it, it's okay, just hit F3 to change to wireframe mode. It is here, and it's supposed to be on 0, so just add an exit road here of minus 0.2. Return to the shaded mode with F3, use arc rotate, and that's my ground, so I'm just gonna add a material to it. And right block again, select the outer line this time to make the roof, and here we see it. And actually we are selecting, be careful when you have too many objects located in the same place, and have a look always here. If you see exit road, that means it isn't the same shape that you just imported, because it shouldn't have an exit road here. So a couple of clicks, see, now this one have no exit road. Or you can switch to wireframe mode, whatever you feel comfortable with. Change the Z to 4.5, so technically the same information that I had here. I can just select on the slab, copy it if you feel lazy to do that manually, and then paste it, and then I'll just assign this material to it, and that's it. Now I model this small box. I will go here and straightforward I will select those 4, import them here, and I will just place them on a 4.5 level, and I'll immediately paste the same modifier and then add the material to them, the same one, the brownish one, see, and follow it up with this. I'll right block again. I already made those as rectangles, so I'm just selecting them in crossing mode, and here the same thing, import them, and again I'm gonna place them on a 4.5 and paste, but instead of a minus I'll give them a positive 0.2, and then assign the brownish material to them. And now I had this, as you can see, Now it's been finished. Look, it's kind of when you remove the selection from it, the actual edges will go green. That's different from this one again, and that's happened due to the fact that the original color in AutoCAD is green. So you can just select this and make it white, and that might give you better results. So I'll make it white and hit OK, OK again, and now it gives me a better shape here, as you can see. Again, go back to AutoCAD and notice that it's almost done here as a geometry. I don't need to do anything else except for this parapet here. So if I go to the picture, you're gonna see this here, the parapet, and it's easy being done. If I go to AutoCAD and I draw a polyline, so starting from here, it's good to have the first floor here, which is the greenish one, or the green shape you see here, and here, and so on. I made a mistake, if you noticed, in clicking in the wrong place, but it's okay, we can fix that easily. And here you must hit C space to close the profile, the full line. And here you notice that I made a mistake. It's okay, just drag that to the correct location, and then use the right block command to export that again, import it into Max, and all you have to do is to give it, it's here, it's no. Again, your eyes should go here. It shouldn't have any exit road. Yep, that's right. Let's give it a 4.5. Now sitting on the first floor finish level, and then you exit road that with 1 meter. I'll give it a brown material for now. Later on we're gonna discuss the material, and I think actually I'm gonna give it a white one. That's as a geometry finished. One thing have to be done is this inclination in these two shapes. So let's have a look. So this one is actually inclined toward the roof of it. How much, you have to measure it again and then draw it in AutoCAD, but I already did that. So if I have a dimension here, I think it's 2 if my Noori is still alive. Yep, 2. So in order to do that, you have to select this object, right click on it, and then convert to edit poly, and select vertex. And if you zoom in enough, I'll just maximize this view and get rid of this material, and I'll select those two vertex here, and in the Y here I'm gonna push -2. See, and the same thing here, I'm gonna turn this off and select this. You can change that again into edit poly, but I'm too lazy to do so, and just select those two things and again push that -2 to have them in the same place, and then return to the exit row to get this. The other one actually is pushed back, I think here, so it should goes the other way. So let's have a look. It's here like that. It's okay. And let's see how much it's supposed to be pushed back here, and it's again 2. Good. And let's do that. I will select this and then right click, convert to edit poly, and points, those two little things here, I'm gonna push them in that direction. So X, and its positive value 2, it's gonna be like that. Don't worry about this, no one will look at it. So again, let's fix our wall here, the parapet. Again, I'm gonna push it to here, and we're gonna turn it on again, and we get that as a good result. I can, of course, later on add an edit poly for that and fix this slightly that way. Let's actually do it now. So we can convert this into edit poly, select those 2 points here, and I'm gonna push them minus x, let's say minus 0.5, another 0.1, minus 0.05. It's gonna be almost right, so I'm gonna turn it off, and by that we technically finish the entire model of the job object itself. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do the landscape for that. Thank you very much and have a good day.